They sought to stack you layer upon layer, passing plowshares right across your heads. And those who could not draw their slender necks in time found their final shroud within the graveyard's beds. Yet the cloudberries bloom once more in spring, and the lingonberries glow as red as blood, adorning the forest in the autumn season and marking the tragedy that befell our fathers. I sing to you now, shedding sparing tears. Let the blizzards rage, let them sweep and drift, blanketing your dust beneath my feet in pure white snow. You are heroes, yet no one comes to visit you. You were soldiers of labor, Russian Germans, who fell not by bullets on the battlefield, but simply became strangers to your motherland, forever branded as enemies. You were cast aside.